welcome to the Hand Tight Racing channel, where in today's video we're going to do the teardown on my buddy Tyler's 3-valve. It needs a new head gasket. We're going to determine whether we need to send the block, the heads, and everything else off for resurfacing, or we're just going to determine we need to put a new head gasket on it and send it. Not really sure where we're going to go with it yet, but we'll figure that out in this video, and then we'll get him up and running and drifting in no time. Motor's already out of it, no motor in it. It's already been pulled by the previous owner, thankfully. So we have it on an engine stand. We're going to tear it apart today and see what all we need to do.
She don't seem like she's loose.
The spark plug is loose, but not loose enough.
Think it's loose enough to pull it with a magnet or no?
What's that?
Spark plug.
No, it's not all the way out.
Couldn't get down on it far enough to get it to spin all the way out.
You're trying to fish that piece of plastic out.
Yeah. And I had that bitch up here once.
So close. If we put the air hose to it, we could probably just blow that piece of plastic out.
Yeah, honestly.
Probably. Rather just hit it with some air.
Yeah. Either blow it out or blow it and wedge it further in there. One or the other.
Nah, it ain't gonna go any further in there.
I mean, if anything, we're pulling the heads anyway. Just clean the cylinders.
No, it's some piece of plastic. Looks like from an old clip or something. Can't really tell what it is. It's fucking really pissing me off, I'll tell you that. That's facts. What does it look like?
It almost looks like a piece of a quick release clip.
Almost. Oh, I had felt it hit my hand. I think it came out one in here or something, but it's out of there now.
It's out. That should be good. Here, I'm gonna turn that thing off.
Got a button right here.
Seriously?
Ooh.
All that spinning I did.
Ooh.
Tight?
Ooh. That didn't come out of there very well.
Yeah, if not, then that happens and you snap one off in it.
Hopefully she's still alright.
She'll be fine.
They're kind of trying to reuse it out if need be. Sweet.
It's easy with aluminum.
Yeah, it threads like butter.
Yeah.
Should we just rinse it so it's not fucking jiggling it?
Do what?
Should we just wrench it so it's not shaking the shit out of it? pulled threads out of it. Gonna have to back the bolt further out.
It's all the way off.
It's not all the way off.
Our aunt.
It's my wife's mom.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna put.
She was pulling out, and I was
I'm
like,
gonna
I'm
put these in
definitely in the
there,
wrong
too.
place again, because she was like staring at me. She's like, you're at the right house, and I was like, I have no idea, to be honest. I was told that there's a new metal roof somewhere, and I was like, this looks like a new metal roof out here.
Don't forget, guys, that when you're leaving, that gate will close on you.
Yeah, that like I saw how fast it opened, and like it did that little thing. I was like, through here real quick.
That's Tyler.
Yeah.
The gate closed.
Tyler pulled through, and I just hurried up and pulled right through.
These are. Put it in the same. Put it in the same bag.
Trailer on the back.
They're the same weight.
And there's a car 5 miles down the road there, but he was just learning to drive.
They had to make.
He pulled out and broke the damn fence post, crushed the gate.
I would honestly just kind of put all the timing cover bolts in there.
You gonna put new cans in this?
No, he's just gonna run the same cams.
I don't think they're
They're
gonna
trying to convince them to do long tubes instead of the stock stuff.
Yeah, you definitely should do long tubes.
Since we already got it out,
Yeah,
might as
be
well.
way easier.
All right.
You can get the
that what they
BBK
said?
ceramic plated long tubes for I think $500.
That's not bad, honestly.
Yeah, and they're ceramic. That's why.
Well, I told him he
Look
could
at
go.
that beefy boy.
I told him he could just go
Oh,
stainless. and
puppy.
heat.
Puppy. My hands are dirty, or I'd pet you.
My hands aren't dirty. I'll pet you.
Yeah, mine ain't dirty. You're such a pretty woman. Oh, you're a chunky boy.
Alright, we got your attention. Get out.
If you watch that one, and if you see that colored link line up, let me know.
Is that it right here?
No, that's colored link. Yeah. We got it.
Alright, time and set. Ready to pull all this off so we pull the heads. And then TK will be a happy man.
For sure. Rather fucking over label than under label.
All right.
A little watery oil come out.
That bitch dry.
Sound a little squeaky.
That one probably got hot. Real hot. It should have dowel pins, right? To
Yes.
hold it in place.
Yeah.
Sorry, break loose for that one.
Might have to get you some pry bars.
Yeah, magic stuff. engine on it? What do you think?
If as in resurface, you mean hit with the wire wheel? Yeah.
I'd say that clutch is a little gone.
Huh?
We'll just go about loss on there.
Got both heads off. All the timing off. Definitely need to change the oil.
Looking a lot different.
She's looking good. Looking good.
She's cute.
Oh, look at that.
We're here at Ace because we need some engine stand bolts for the bell housing. These guys are a little too short for the engine stand that we're using. So we're getting some $4 each bolts to get this thing on the engine stand.
Yeah, hopefully it works.
31446 for times 2.
Honestly, you just
Quantity
gotta
two.
work the price.
Yeah, $379 each. I like to write the part number so that when they look at it.
Stopped off over here at Racetrack. We got a mini horse in the back seat of that Ford. That's wild.
Wild horse.
That's wild right there.
You almost made it.
Yeah, I forgot they don't have fucking diesel at BP. It's so fucking stupid.
They don't even have diesel at that gas station, huh?
I know, that's what I'm saying. I pulled in there and I was like, alright. Because even that.
Looks like you didn't make it that far.
Well, I made it in there and then I was like, oh, they don't have diesel. I forgot. And then I pulled out and it died. And then somebody helped me push it.
So what? I don't have a can.
My
You got a
mom
can?
said she was coming out with a gas tank, so.
Oh. Alright.
I have to put it in the injectors, right? Like I have to feed it like that, right?
Spraying it into the intake might help, but
We'll figure it out in a minute.
alright.
I'll let you know if anything goes wrong.
Alright.
Later.
Later. Yeah, ain't really shit we can do.
Damn radar detector freaking out.
She's in highway mode, alright?
Fucking
Leave her alone.
She's on the stand.
Dude, I've never had one of my motors on stand, so
See, look, we get more subscribers, we upgrade.
we're winning right now. And that's going, and that's about to go everywhere.
Yep.
Yeah.
Roger, get you those 6x6s. On each side.
Look right here. Hold it just like that.
Clean?
Yeah,
Clean.
clean. Get a 7. That's a 17.
17 though?
Yeah, it's a 17.
Damn.
She's a little tight.
She's a little tight.
Fucker's on there. All right, yeah, leave it. Here, let me see it.
She's still a little tight.
You want a shorter socket?
Let me get in there a little more.
It's only a matter of time. Here, I need to get that up higher.
Cheers. When
It's about to come out.
I'm gonna
It's about to go.
keep pushing her. I think she's good to go. I'm gonna pull her
Use
out.
that other hand. Ooh, there it is.
Ooh, there's a milkshake.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, now those blocks come in handy. Shit, there ain't even much in there.
Is that a piece of something? Piece of something.
What, you got something in the pan?
Yeah. Like a fucking sticker. Sticker or tag or something. Whatever.
What was that?
Get this thing.
Dude, gross.
Yeah, get in there.
Trying to get that fucking gunk out of there.
Yeah, just buy a new 3 valve. Be a lot easier. God, this shit is sludge.
Might need a fucking.
A parts washer?
Yo. Well, he's got a parts washer.
With it.
Fuck it. But is that parts washer gonna wash behind the baffle and shit?
It should.
It's a pan. It holds fluid.
True. Yeah, fuck it.
Tyler's decided he's gonna send his heads out for resurfacing. 3 valves all torn apart. Rest of the parts are here. New clutch coming in. New gaskets coming in. Resurfaced heads. Block's fine. Everything else is fine. We'll see you guys when we have some parts.